What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. Hilux fans, it's painting day again. Got to get moving with this one, so I'll take you to my shed and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. This differential has been hit with a wire brush, as clean as I can get it. And now we're going to smash on, we're doing something different to the gearbox over there, which came out nice. We're going to use this metal cover. No priming necessary, inhibits rust and corrosion. Don't know exactly what's in it, but this wasn't really rusty anyway. And then I figure I'll smash it with this top coat. But first, we've got to use this rag and a bit of this grease mover, because leaking out of this is a bit of diff oil. So what we want to do, as far as I figure it, is get it wet, get your rag, start on a clean bit, give it a rub, move over a little bit to the next clean bit, and just work your way around. During this time lapse, I think it's a good moment to talk about addiction and addiction to Hiluxes. If you think that you might be addicted to your Hilux, or two Hiluxes, don't subscribe to this channel. I do not think that's a good idea, because it will get worse, a lot worse. Oh yeah, I'm ready to sniff paint, but first, this is where Jimmy knew he'd fucked up. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Well, the other end just came off as well. That's not meant to do that. Yeah, so if you flex those out the way, be careful. Oh. I thought I'd tape these up because it looks cool. Kind of looks like I know what I'm doing. And I want to get the nuts back on. Right, Hilux fans. This says that it needs 3 coats. First 2 light coats and then a thicker coat. Dries to touch in 8 hours. That's a lot longer than the cans I used to spray that on. And it says you can recoat after 16 hours. Fuck, sounds like a lot more work. And it doesn't say if we can add clear coat to the top. So this is going to be a bit of an experiment. I'm just an idiot in the shed trying to work this out. Got these little gypsies too that anchored on the lines that I broke off, so we'll just tape up the threads and do the top out with a little bit of a spray. I know that I'm an idiot, and that's why this is so impressive, because it's come out looking pretty good, Hilux fans. Stick around, follow the next episode. I'll be yanking the other front diff out and try not to crush myself in the process.